So today we're at the CNE for another day, and we're going to finish off the night by seeing the drone show, which is really cool. So we're at the CNE for another night.
1 club, 2 diamonds, 1 club, 2 diamonds. Calling no more bets.
Wow, this is the ride someone got thrown off. Living life on the edge. Look at that. Fun house! Oh, it's the mirror house. Look at that. Oh, a donut. Wow. And we're walking. We're gonna go get some food now. So for the 4th time at the CNE this year, we're getting cheese curds. Look at that. We walked all this way. So we're getting deep fried cheese curds. Look at those. My favorite food this year at the CNE. Wow, look at those. The deep fried cheese curds, my favorite thing at the CNE this year. Let's use the flash. Look at how good that looks. This is my favorite thing. If you come here, you have to try it. It's so delicious. So now we got food and we're walking back to the band stuff to eat it and watch music. Look how busy it is tonight. Wow, look at that. See, here's what we got this time at the CNE. I got my Mountain Dew. This is just delicious. Deep fried cheese curds. Try those. Wow, that's really cool. So look at these really cool pizzas. I didn't get one tonight, but the other night I had one of these brought home. And I had this one and it was really cool. It tasted like a taco bowl. So I finished the CNE for another night. And this one was pretty fun, ending it with all the food.